doors that led to nowhere, hoping someday I'd find what's fair. A little place to call my own, a shelter made of love, not stone.
Category 18. Retirement and downsizing. Question: when is the right time to downsize my home?
Naomi, I've been considering downsizing, but I'm not sure when the right time would be. Any advice?
Sure, Amara. A good time to downsize is when your current home starts to feel too big or hard to maintain.
That's kind of how I've been feeling lately. It's a lot of work keeping up with everything.
That's a common reason. Downsizing also makes sense after retirement, especially if your income or lifestyle has shifted.
I see. And what about financial benefits?
Absolutely. Downsizing can free up equity, which you could use for things like travel, savings, or even hobbies.
That sounds like it could work for me. Thanks for the insight, Naomi.
Anytime, Amara. Downsizing can be a fresh start, so take your time to decide what works best for you.
And now I'm standing at the gate, a brand new chapter, I can't wait. These keys to my dreams, they're in my head. A place to grow, a place to stand.
Category 18. Retirement and downsizing. Question: what should retirees consider when buying a home?
Naomi, what should retirees keep in mind when buying a home? I imagine it's quite different from the usual process.
It can be, Amara. Retirees should definitely think about accessibility, things like single-level living, wider doorways, and other features that make day-to-day life easier.
That makes sense. What about location?
Proximity is key. Being close to healthcare facilities, family, and community amenities is really important, especially as needs change over time.
Good point. Are there financial factors to keep in mind too?
Definitely. Taxes, maintenance costs, and overall affordability are crucial to consider. You don't want unexpected expenses eating into your retirement savings.
True. And what about lifestyle?
Some retirees opt for active adult or retirement communities. They're great for a low-maintenance lifestyle and often come with amenities like social events, fitness centers, and more.
That sounds ideal for someone looking to simplify their life. Thanks for breaking it down, Naomi.
Anytime, Amara. Planning thoughtfully now can really set retirees up for a comfortable and enjoyable future.
Every corner whispers my name. This is my home, my claim to fame. The walls may be fresh, the paint brand new, but the stories inside are